Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can stop your Groupon email or how you guys can unsubscribe from Groupon email. So let me show you how to do that. But before that, what you want to do is go on to groupon.com and log in into your account. Once you come to its official website and log in into your account, you want to click on My Stuff, which is going to be at the top right corner. Once you click on My Stuff, you want to click on over here where it says Email Preferences. Once you click on Email Preferences, it's going to take you over here. Now what you want to do is make sure you uncheck all of this. So what you want to do is untick this as well. After you untick all of this, click on Save. Click on over here where it says No, unsubscribe me. Click on it and basically your email preference should be changed. And after doing that, what you want to do is click on My Stuff again and click on Account. Now once you click on Account, it's going to take you over here. From over here, go on Email Preferences again. And from under Email Preferences over here as well, make sure you untick all of this and click on Save. And basically you should have done it. Your problem should be fixed. Now you're not going to get any email notification from Groupon. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.